If you've ever wrestled with a vacuum cord, battled pet hair, or wished your vacuum could just think a little more, this one's for you. Today we're looking at the Eureka ReactiSense, a cordless vacuum that promises smart cleaning, powerful suction, and a design that works on every floor in your home. And after putting it through the paces, I can tell you it's not just hype. In full transparency, I was sent this product for free in the purpose of making this video. So let's start with one of my favorite features, the anti-tangle brush roll nozzle. Pet owners, you know the struggle. You vacuum up the hair and then spend another 10 minutes cutting it off the brush, but not here. The brush roll is designed to reduce tangles, meaning less downtime and more time actually cleaning. The ReactSense technology isn't just for show. The vacuum has intelligent sensors that detect floor types and even the size of dust particles. It automatically adjusts brush speed and suction power, so you're always getting the deepest clean without wasting time having to switch any type of attachments or pressing any buttons to switch between modes. I didn't have to think about the settings. ReactSense did it all for me. Now, if you've got allergies or kids, this is huge. The complete seal anti-allergen technology with the HEPA filter, it traps 99.99% of dust and allergens of small as 0.3 microns and then keeps them in a dustbin where they belong. So I tested it with some fine dust and didn't blow anything back into the air. Not only does it mean cleaner floors, but also cleaner lungs and less time congestion and sneezing, and it's horrible to live with. Inside you have a 7-cone cyclonic separation system. That's what helps maintain the long-lasting suction. It prevents clogging and keeps fine dust away from the airflow. Translation, you get consistent cleaning power even when the bin is almost full. You've got an LED display to keep track of settings and one-touch dust cup release for easy emptying, no complicated dismantling. And the battery life, well, it's up to 60 minutes on a single charge. So that's plenty for most homes, even with larger spaces. It's lightweight, comes with multiple accessories and bendable design. Plus it has a LED headlights, make it easier to reach under couches and into those corners. I clean my whole house without once thinking about that battery and if I needed to dock it again to recharge it. All these little touches add up to a smoother cleaning experience, which makes it a little bit more enjoyable and not such a chore. The Eureka ReactiSense isn't just another cordless vacuum. It's smart, powerful, and designed to make cleaning less of a chore. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game, check it out. We're going to leave a link in the description below. You can head over there to get some more details or pick one up for yourself. I'd love for you to leave a comment below on what your favorite feature was. Share this video with a friend who needs the cordless Eureka in their life. Hit that like button and of course subscribe for more great reviews like this. We'll see you in the next one.